If you're writing an essay for the first time, or if you are struggling with essay writing, you have come to the right place. The essay is something that is in the new syllabus, so you may not have heard of it before, you may not know how to do it, but I will go through everything with you in this video. Welcome to English Step by Step. I make videos for English first and second language. My name is Miss Wee. Today we're going to talk about the essay. First, I want to explain what an essay is. So it's a piece of writing with the purpose of presenting a point of view and providing reasons to support it. The audience is usually your teacher, according to the question in the ESL papers. The register is either formal, semi-formal, or neutral. So here's an example question. What are the effects of playing computer games on young people? Here we have a question. In class, you have had a discussion about whether teenagers should eat fast food. Your teacher has asked you to write an essay about it. In your essay, give your opinion about whether teenagers should eat fast food. Here are some comments from your classmates. Fast food tastes great. So that's a positive point about fast food. It's cheaper to cook food at home. That's a negative point about eating fast food. It's not good for you. Another negative point. Eating fast food saves time. So that's a positive point. Now write an essay for your teacher. So your audience is here. The comments above may give you some ideas, and you should also use some ideas of your own. So the question is always the same, and make sure that you do use your own ideas, whether it is a report, review, article, or essay. And try to write within 120 to 160 words. You can go a little bit over, but not too much. There's 6 marks for content and 9 for language. So there are more marks for language, and we will look at that later. First, we'll look at content. So your content is about whether teenagers should eat fast food. Like I said just now, there are 2 positive points about eating fast food, and there are 2 negative points. And I've put the plus and minuses, just in case you have forgotten which ones are which. I'm only going to use these 2 points and not all 4 because this is a video for beginners. So I'm going to use this one which says it's not good for you, and this one that says it saves time. And then, of course, I'm going to give my own points because it says you should use some ideas of your own. So another plus point is that fast food restaurants are good places for teenagers to hang out with friends. And my own point on the negative side is that fast food often comes with excessive packaging. I'm going to develop those points because you get marks for development. So for this one, I'm going to say that this is an important social activity for teenagers. And for this point, I'm going to say that this creates waste and pollution, so it's not good for the environment. The next thing I'm going to do is to reword the points that I'm going to use from the prompt so that I don't copy. It's not good for you. I'm going to say that it is unhealthy, and eating fast food saves time. I'm going to say that it is quick and easy. I'm also going to develop the points in the prompt. It is unhealthy because it is high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and salt, which can lead to health issues. It is quick and easy, so it's good for teenagers who are usually very busy. This is the template that I've provided in my video that has templates for all the 4 formal types of writing: report, review, article, and essay. If you would like to access that video, please click on the link up here. So essay is the only one without heading. We start with introductory paragraph. So we can say nowadays, we can make a general statement about the issue. So here we would talk about fast food, and there are advantages and disadvantages to eating fast food. On the one hand, so eating fast food can be advantageous. So try and have different expressions though. Don't keep saying eating fast food. I will show you later. And firstly, you have point and development, the points and development, which we already planned earlier on. And the same for the second point. We're not going to do the third one because this is a video for beginners. So we're going to stop at 2. On the other hand, now we're going to talk about the negative points. So eating fast food can also cause problems. To begin with, we have the point and development that we wrote down earlier on. And furthermore, the other point and development. We're not going to do the third one. We're going to stop at 2. If you want to do 3, that's fine. In conclusion, I believe that, so you have to pick one side and explain why you are on this side. With the right, potential issues can be managed effectively. This sentence can be changed. You may have to adapt it according to the essay topic, which I have done for this one, and I will show you in a moment. Here is the essay. Nowadays, many teenagers consume fast food regularly. There are advantages and disadvantages to eating at fast food restaurants. On the one hand, fast food offers several advantages. Firstly, it is quick and convenient, making it ideal for teenagers with busy schedules. Secondly, fast food restaurants allow teenagers to spend time with friends in a relaxed environment. This social interaction is essential for building relationships. On the other hand, excessive consumption of fast food can also cause problems. To begin with, fast food is often unhealthy as it is high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and salt, which can contribute to obesity, heart disease, and other health issues. Furthermore, fast food packaging generates large amounts of waste, leading to environmental pollution. In conclusion, I believe that teenagers should limit their intake of fast food. By adopting a healthier diet and making more sustainable food choices, they can improve their well-being and contribute to a greener future. So you can see that I don't have any heading. I have introductory and concluding paragraph. In my concluding paragraph, I take one side and explain why. I have a paragraph for positive points and a paragraph for negative points. The parts that I've underlined are the parts that were blank in the template. So all you have to do is to just fill in the blanks. This is what it looks like without the underlined parts. And this is what your essay should look like. I'm going to break it down a little bit for you to talk about how to get language marks. This is enough to get full content marks, but we also want to get very high language marks if possible. So in order to get high language marks, we need to have accurate grammar, spelling, punctuation. Here I have used present tense because this issue is still relevant, it's still existing. I need to use some less common vocabulary, like the ones I have colored in purple. I also need to use advanced sentence structures. So these are the things that the examiner will be looking for if you want high language marks. I've added this slide because one of my viewers asked me if it is indeed true that an essay does not require a heading. Here we have an example candidate response and examiner comments, and one of the examiner comments is that no heading is required for an essay. I suggest that you look for this video where I do a quick comparison between the 4 types of writing. I've talked about the purpose, audience, register. I give an example question. I also break them down according to paragraphs and give similarities and the main difference. And you can see that the main difference for an essay compared to all the other 4 is the fact that there is no heading. Do go and watch this video for the full explanation of everything. You will get a lot of clarity out of this video. Apart from that video, I have a lot more. I think I have close to 100 videos now. Do go and check them out. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future lessons. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment box below. And if you need tutoring, you can contact me here. Thank you very much for watching.